Let's dive in and take a closer look at the recent movements in the Pi network ecosystem. We're going to analyze the factors contributing to its current market behavior. The Pi network has been making waves and catching attention this week in the cryptocurrency space. Specifically, it's seen a notable 5% price jump over the last 7 days. This upward trend has sparked interest among users and investors alike. In the volatile world of crypto, a 5% increase might not seem like a monumental shift when compared to other more established coins, but for Pi, which is still operating in its pre-launch phase, this kind of movement is a big deal, and can be interpreted as a positive sign. This steady climb signals growing anticipation and confidence in the project's future prospects. It also reflects the market's expectations for the project's next steps and upcoming developments. The price action is closely tied to upcoming events and potential catalysts that could further shape Pi's trajectory. This is fueled by excitement and positive sentiment within the Pi community, which is known for its active engagement and strong belief in the project. Pi's perceived value, even in its current form as an IOU, is largely driven by the progress in development milestones and the sheer size of its massive user base, which contributes to its network effect. When the core team provides updates or hints at significant progress, the market tends to respond, often resulting in price fluctuations. The recent gain appears to reflect growing optimism and anticipation surrounding the potential open mainnet launch, which is the point when Pi coins could finally become tradable on exchanges and gain real-world utility. The core team's latest update suggests that they've achieved a major technical step forward in the development process, and this positive news is likely fueling this current price rally. However, it's important to remember that Pi IOUs are essentially speculative placeholders at this stage, so price movements are primarily driven by market sentiment and perceptions of future potential, rather than concrete utility. This 5% rise can be seen as a vote of confidence from the community and the market, especially ahead of a pivotal event scheduled for June 28, which could bring further clarity to the project's roadmap. So, let's delve deeper and see what's under the hood of this upcoming upgrade and what it could mean for the future of the Pi network. Mark your calendars. June 28th is the big date, a pivotal moment for the Pi network. Pi's dedicated core team is rolling out a major technical upgrade, a significant step forward in the project's evolution. This isn't just a routine fix or a minor adjustment. It's a foundational update, a comprehensive overhaul of key systems. The primary goals are to boost scalability, ensuring the network can handle a growing number of users and transactions, enhance security to protect against potential threats, and improve overall efficiency. The upgrade will optimize the consensus algorithm, making it faster and more energy efficient. It will also improve wallet infrastructure, enhancing the user experience and security of digital assets, and streamline KYC verification, making it easier for new users to join the network. A smoother KYC process means more users can migrate to mainnet, expanding the active community and strengthening the network. This migration is a key step before opening the network to the public, allowing for broader participation and innovation. For users, this tangible progress is proof the team is actively developing the network, not just making promises, but delivering real results. Every technical milestone like this reduces uncertainty about the project's future and builds trust within the community and among potential investors. The upgrade is a dress rehearsal for the open mainnet, a crucial test to ensure everything is functioning correctly before the grand opening. It's a demonstration showing the team can deliver on its promises and execute complex technical upgrades successfully. A robust, secure blockchain is absolutely essential for Pi's long-term future and its ability to become a widely adopted digital currency. That's precisely why the market is reacting positively. Investors recognize the significance of this upgrade. This upgrade is a clear sign of a maturing project, demonstrating a commitment to continuous improvement and long-term sustainability. The June 28th upgrade is fundamentally about de-risking the path forward, mitigating potential challenges, and paving the way for future growth. If successful, it confidently sets the stage for the next phase of development, bringing Pi network closer to its ultimate vision. So, with all these advancements in mind, let's take a closer look and see how Pi stacks up against the rest of the dynamic crypto market. To put Pi's 5% gain in context, let's compare it to the broader crypto market this June. Bitcoin dropped 8%, Ethereum lost 3%, and most top altcoins are in the red. In a tough market, Pi's green candle stands out. While other projects face macro pressures and regulatory uncertainty, Pi's price is moving on project-specific news. The June 28th upgrade is driving this optimism, not general market trends. Pi's community is focused on fundamentals, not just riding the market wave. Yes, Pi IU trading volume is lower than major coins, so price moves can be amplified. Still, the divergence is notable. Pi's community is energized while the broader market hesitates. This shows Pi's unique position, driven by vision and community belief. Right now, that belief is translating into positive price action. Let's hear what experts and community leaders are saying. Beyond the intricate dance of charts and figures, beyond the immediate fluctuations, what are the insiders, the experts, and the thought leaders really saying about this pivotal moment for Pi Network? Dr. Nicholas Kokalis, Pi's visionary founder, calls the June 28th upgrade a critical step in fortifying our infrastructure, emphasizing its importance for the network's long-term stability and scalability. Community leaders echo this sentiment, seeing the upgrade not just as a technical adjustment, but as the tangible fulfillment of years of dedicated work, countless hours of coding, and unwavering commitment. It's a promise kept to the early adopters and the growing Pi community. Influencers like Pi Ambassador say the mainnet, once a distant aspiration, is no longer a distant dream, but an approaching reality, a tangible goal within reach. Crypto analysts like Sarah Tran note the upgrade is undoubtedly a significant move, a step in the right direction for Pi's development, but stress the real test, the ultimate determinant of success, is flawless execution and seamless integration. There's consensus, this is undeniably a pivotal moment for Pi Network and its future. The founders are signaling a leap forward in technological advancement, the community is rallying with renewed enthusiasm and support, and analysts are watching closely, scrutinizing every detail. The June 28th event is more than a routine update. It's a tangible and significant step on Pi's ambitious journey towards a fully realized mainnet and a thriving ecosystem. This alignment of vision and progress is fueling the positive sentiment and growing optimism in the market. Now let's delve deeper and look at how investors and social media platforms are reacting to these developments. Investors are showing real excitement. Trading volume for Pi IOUs is up 30% this week. Rising volume alongside price is a bullish sign showing real market activity, not just hype. Investors are actively buying in ahead of the upgrade, shifting from passive to active participation. On social media, #Pintwork and June 28th are trending, with a 50% spike in mentions. The sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with users sharing news and speculating on Pi's future. This buzz acts as a marketing engine, drawing new attention and reinforcing confidence. The combination of rising volume and social media activity shows an energized, engaged investor base. The narrative around the upgrade has captured the community's imagination. The market is signaling approval, but expectations are now sky high. The team faces real pressure to deliver a smooth upgrade. Let's talk risks and rewards. The reward? If Pi's open mainnet launches successfully, early holders could see huge upside. With over 50 million users, even partial adoption could drive significant demand and value. A smooth June 28th upgrade would boost confidence and attract more investors and developers. But the risks are real. If the mainnet launch fails or is delayed, Pi's value could plummet. The IOU price is based on future potential, not current utility. Technical or regulatory setbacks could derail progress. The upgrade itself carries risk. Any bugs or security issues could damage trust. Regulatory scrutiny is another wildcard for such a large, global project. Investors must weigh the massive potential reward against these substantial risks. Decide if Pi fits your risk profile before jumping in. What's next for Pi Network after June 28th? If the upgrade succeeds, the next quarter will focus on observation, stabilization, and bug fixes. The team will push for more KYC verifications and mainnet migrations. The key metric: how many users migrate to mainnet. Progress here is essential for the open mainnet launch. If all goes well, positive sentiment could continue, but expect a period of consolidation